yogurt. 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. 1 teaspoon salt. A half teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon red chili powder. 1 teaspoon roasted and crushed cumin seeds. A half teaspoon black pepper powder. A half teaspoon whole spice powder. A half teaspoon chaat masala. 2 tablespoon vinegar. Mix well. A half kg boneless chicken cut in cubes. Mix well. Marinate for 1 hour. After 1 hour, two tablespoon cooking oil. Medium hot. Cook on low flame. Cook from each side until done.